Changing the rear wiper on a RAV4 is easy. Here is how you can do it. Let's begin by pulling this tab. It will allow the arm to move all the way back. Now with the arm lifted, rotate the blade and pull to get the old wiper out. Time to install the new one. In this case, the thinner part of the blade goes under the arm. The blade has the thick pin that goes into the arm. Give it a firm push. Make sure everything looks fine. Lower the tab and just like that, the installation is completed. Thanks for watching, like for more, see you in the next one.